When we say content, it is the most influencing thing on earth right now. Content marketing and content writing is the non-perishable and immortal technique to market your online presence. Companies and business really struggle to find the suitable content writers, and they are difficult to find. So if a company is not ready to invest in the content writers right now, here are some alternatives that don't need much investment and the job of writing is done in a jiffy. The first one is Quill. The natural language generation platform functions exactly like a human brain does. It produces the insight in order to revive every angle of business that people want to know. The other benefits of using Quill that gives personalized narratives. It lets the user customize the narrative with information that's truly meaningful to the customers. Second one is Wordsmith. The platform is capable of converting the data into interesting narratives. Wordsmith is an AI-powered tool that produces written analytics by transforming the given data. The tools that Wordsmith offers cater to those insights that relate to the human's organization structure and the overall goals of the enterprise. The third one is ArticleO. If you think a machine cannot work like a human brain, then you are wrong. ArticleO is a content creation tool that writes an article just like a human. Firstly, it understands the concept of the given topic. For example, if you want to write an article regarding variety of virus, then the algorithm of the tool will understand what a virus is and then start writing the article. Fourth one, Article Forge. The platform uses insightful algorithm to automatically rewrite the articles just the way a human being does. The intelligent algorithm automatically researches on a topic, read an infinite number of articles and then writes the article in its own words. It also works as per the search engine optimization and work in accordance. The fifth one is Word AI. Word AI works exactly like a human. It does not consider the sentence as the list of the words. Rather, it has the ability to convert the list of words into meaningful sentences that makes the human interact with each other. It rewrites each and every bit right from the scratch. The sixth one is Canva. Content is just not limited to words or text format. Generating content on digital media also includes creating media like images and video using the AI automation technology. Canva is an online tool to create various images. A variety of templates are available for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, blogs, posters, presentation, to name a few. All you have to do is to put a content, those templates, and your design is ready to get published. Seventh one is Scoopit. The predictive content AI-powered platform presents insight based on past performance and the best content marketing practices. The insight that the platform provides make it easy to plan the further content strategies and make it work according to the planned goals. The platform also assists the marketers to deploy their strategies as well. Let's check the eighth one, ErWriter. ErWriter is a powerful content generating tool that will cut out weeks from your website building process. All copy is SEO friendly and tailored to your brand, so you can look your best online. The ninth one is WordLife. This is an SEO plugin for WordPress that analyzes your content and identify organized categories and titles on them to improve relevancy. For instance, it digs out the application entities from an article and searches for related articles on the basis of the tags. It creates a navigational widget that categorizes the tag. The last one is QPromote. With this platform, the content gets hand-reviewed and it is the only platform where the in-house review process of the content takes place. Q also enables the user to schedule content for the future and keeps all the posts evergreen by generating new content every single time. Content is the king and it is the order of the day. If you like this video, please try all the applications and softwares. I'll be coming with new videos about new software which help your business. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.